Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off handoff on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once. Locate and click on the settings icon. Then on your Apple Watch settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. On the general page, you want to scroll down, locate and click on handoff. Once you selected handoff, you should see enable handoff. Handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on other devices using your iCloud account. Now for you to use handoff on your Apple Watch and other devices, you must use the same iCloud account. Now to turn off handoff, just disable this. To turn on handoff, turn this on, and that is it. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off handoff on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.